All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're ranting about, well, customers. Behind the camera, I've got a Lexus RX 330 with a draw. The customer's complaint is the battery goes dead. Now it's after 3 days, but initially the first time it came in, it was after a week or 10 days, whatever. It's been back multiple times, and every time there's no draw. The car, in the last 6 months since it's been at this shop, has been driven a total of 117 miles. And they said they've put a trickle charger on there, but that didn't even hold it for 3 days. It's been in my bay for 2 days. It's still not dead. Anyway, unreasonable expectations of a customer. Just an FYI, I Googled where they live. I don't know how they're putting a trickle charger on a car sitting on the street, because the crud on the car says it's parked on the street, not in a parking deck, not in a garage. So I don't know how they're doing a trickle charger, but one of the advantages of the management system being on my computer is I could figure out where people live, but not often I do that. But it was kind of curiosity because it was a apartment number, and I'm like, let's see where they live, how they can get a trickle charger on this car. I think it's BS, but regardless, every time the cars come in, now this is the third time, I do a draw test, and after so long, I don't have a draw. Everything goes to sleep, no draw. Customer expectations are that the battery's gonna stay charged for, well, apparently months on end, because I drive 60 miles a day, and they've driven 117 in 6 months. We dealt with this a lot with the human malware where customers let their cars sit, rodent damage, dead batteries, dead alternators, various things messed up from letting a car sit. I know in Atlanta, where you live in Atlanta proper, there's a lot of options to not take your car, but you got to drive it every now and then if you expect it to, be worth anything, because they luckily haven't had any rodent damage that I've found, but they've had, it looks like it's been sitting in a field. So just drive your car. It's, just go drive your car. Get in the car, go drive it. My theory at this point is they probably park near somebody that have similar cars with similar key fobs that keep waking the car up, thinking somebody's trying to unlock it, and somebody else that goes to work to and from and locks their car, unlocks their car, probably waking it up is the best theory I've got, if they're just not full of it and they're just not doing anything to the car other than letting it sit. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.